Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. I wanted to say thank you for all the comments, the likes, and for keeping in touch. And thank you for accessing all the books. You know, I have so many ebooks out there, so you can visit mothereagle.net to get all of them. And today I wanted to give you a tool, what I call my secret weapon. A secret weapon meaning what I use to increase my connectivity with God, to increase my strength in everything I'm doing, and that is fasting. You know, many years ago, I've always loved fasting. I belong to a church where we would fast once a year and every couple of days during the week. But in 2018, I was praying for my family and I decided to fast in October. And after that fasting, I went on vacation, visited my family, came back. When I came back to, I live in Los Angeles. When I came back to Los Angeles, the fasting grace was still on me. You know, because what I was doing, I was fasting from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. and then do whatever, just only 5 days a week. When I came back, the grace was still on. So I continued. And ever since 2018 up to today, you know, I cheat sometimes. But most weeks, I do fast from around maybe 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. That is my standard from Monday to Friday, in drinking water only and some tea or coffee sometimes, but no food. And one of the benefits, I didn't even realize I was doing it. I've just been given the grace for real, you know. And one of the benefits is my ability to stay connected. I can hear the whispers of wisdom instantly. I always know what the next step is, just because, you know, those time frames I keep telling you about, I just know, you know, because of the connectivity. And I wanted to encourage you to use this as a tool. Of course, check with a medical professional before you do this. You know, if you have any health problems, you'll have to modify. You don't have to do it the way I'm doing. I'm just giving you my experience and the benefits I'm getting from it. Well, another thing is clear-headedness. You know, you're always clear-headed, level-headed. There is a joy that surrounds you. You can't even comprehend. You know, and then your amplification of gifts. Any gifts you have in you are going to start to amplify. You know, because as a teacher, I'm always sharing with you guys, and I always wonder where the energy and the wisdom will come from. Well, it's always here. It's just here, you know. And I'm not only teaching on video. Everywhere I go and everything I do, I'm inspiring naturally. You know, everything about me has been turned into an inspiration of some sort. So it's a great thing. But I wanted to pinpoint what was the real driving force underneath it, among so many. I think having a spiritual practice, and for me it's intermittent fasting, you know, fasting a few hours a day, and for me it's working greatly. The ability to hear wisdom, the ability to stay in the flow at all times, the ability, you just know that everything will be all right, you know, despite all the distractions that may be around. Let me see, I took some notes. If other benefits, yes, that your hidden, anything hidden within you is going to show up. If there is any sickness, it's going to show up. If there is any addictive behaviors, they are going to show up for healing, and you'll be able to take care of them. Actually, most addictive patterns through fasting start to just break off because they have nothing to hold on to. Your flesh, especially in the beginning times, your flesh is too weak for them to hold into anything. That those negative patterns or negative thoughts, when you're fasting, when you think about negative things, your body feels so bad and yucky. So you try not to think negative things. You're always in an upbeat, thinking about positive things. Let me see another thing. Oh yeah, you get this ability to be steadfast, like immovable. You're like steady in whatever you're doing and in whatever process you've embarked on. You know, there is a level of steadiness within you in the things you do, in your personality. Something happens. I don't know whether it's mind, you're cautious. Yeah, actually, your consciousness starts to elevate, to pick up higher wisdom, to comprehend it. Fear starts to run, fear leaves you. You know, there is a level of boldness that, you know, if hunger can't get me down, nothing else can. So you have this level of fearlessness in the things you do, you know, knowing that you'll be okay. So I guess most of the time when we eat too much, our body is not in the, our body is busy processing and trying to digest, and you know, there's no time to listen to other things. But when you keep your body fasted, you know, drinking water, maybe a little juice or something, with time you realize something about you has changed for the better. And I am testament to that, because it's been a while. I can't even believe I've made it this far, and it wasn't my intention, but it looks like it's just a gift that God has given me, another gift, to be able to have the grace to fast a few days a week, just to maintain the connectivity, and it's not wavering. Well, I hope this helps you get a spiritual practice, modify it to what works for you, and that way your greatness will be revealed and your greatness will be maintained, because we need something that is sustainable, that you can maintain. And as you touch others, you know, they will blossom too from the grace that you're getting through this process. As always, it's Mother Ego. I love you. Leave your comments, and be sure to visit the website, get our monthly ebook Divine Treasures and many other books. I hope all these tools help you. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.